Hello, Tom from Every Step Physics, EveryStepCalculus.com. These programs, of course, show you the solutions to your calculus and physics problems, step by step, just like as if you would be able to do it on a piece of paper yourself, in the same order that you would do it yourself. And that's why they're so great. I'm not interested in teaching you this stuff. What we're interested in is passing a test and getting out of these classes. I never made these programs to make money on them. I made them for myself to pass physics and calculus test problems, okay? Because when the calculator came out, we were all able to use the calculator. I says, well, great. And I was, just because I'm smart enough to program it and know how to program it, doesn't mean I can't use the calculator, so I did. And I programmed lasers and mirrors and convex, concave mirrors and electronics, amps and wattages and whatever was required in these classes, because I can program anything that you can put on a piece of paper yourself. And I'm the only one that does it. I'm the only one that, not probably the only one that can do it, but I'd have to teach them how to do certainly these programs and how I do it. And then you have to be interested in physics and math to, get through the algebra and the tricks of math and stuff like that. So anyways, that said, sorry for my little speech here, but physics, to get to my main menu, we press enter. Since this is an angular acceleration problem, that's what's in the menu. Coming down here, number 6. You can press the 6, or you can press scroll to it. Now I can press enter here now and come to it. And then I ask you this: if rad's s squared angular acceleration is mentioned in the problem? No, it's not. Okay. So then we say no. Now we got the choices of variables in here. We got mass, we got radius, and we got force. Force is also tension in physics. So that's number 7. Notice that's number 7. Here, let's go down there. Choose that. Mass, R, and F. And I show you that it's tension also, because problems. I'll tell you why in a second. So we're going to enter the variables. You have to press alpha first before you enter this. This is 4 kilograms, so we're going to press alpha, 4, and then I always convert these things for you. That's pretty tricky too. If you was to give newtons, how could you convert something if they gave you newtons in this right now, right? Or ounces. Couldn't do it, but I can do it. It's done, Now here's the radius, 0.5 meters. All right, alpha. Make sure I press alpha. 0.5. Whoops. Alpha 0.5. Meters, number 3. We can press number 3. That'll work. And we're going to put in the force, which is 10. Alpha 10 newtons. So I should always show you what you've entered. In case you made a mistake, you can go back and change it. That's a big deal. And then I give you the choice between cylinder solid or sphere solid with they give you here moment of inertia, and there's a million of them. You can go to my moment of inertia in the menu, and then I do all these for you. Rods and discs and whatever they can dream up, they all have a little different formula here for moment of inertia. In this case it says solid sphere, so we're going to choose number 2, sphere solid. And here's the moment of inertia. It's 2/5 mass times r squared. Here it is, what they gave you, but I already had that in here. And when you work out the calculations, it's 0.4 kilograms per meter squared. Not per meter, kilograms meter squared. And then we add that into the formula here. Angular acceleration is really tension divided by moment of inertia, or torque, divided by inertia. But in this case it's tension, or whatever. It's all the same. Force is force, And so we have the radius. We divide it by the force, 10, and divide by the inertia. Turns out to be 12.5 rads per second squared, which is angular acceleration. Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepPhysics.com. Don't hesitate. Go there, pay the money. All the money you throw around and waste at your bars and your fun and whatever you do in college and books and everything else. Talk about something that's worthwhile. That's this. You got to get yourself a titanium calculator and put my programs in there, and you'll have them for the rest of your life. Throw your physics books out. Throw your calculus books out. They're a waste of time. Throw your notes out. This is all you need. All right. And of course you can call me and I'll help you with these physics or calculus problems too. So I'm all for helping you pass your classes. Hey, have a good one.